lot soon.
All right, man.
Y'all have fun.
All right, we appreciate it. Like I said, we appreciate all y'all doing this for us. All right, so we are back on the paint. This time I'm with a bunch of my co-workers, not from my school, but ag teachers from all over the state. And we're doing a tour studying the balance of ecology and agriculture on the Paint Rock Watershed, Paint Rock River Watershed. We've got about 17 of us, I believe. Got about 15 teachers, myself, and then Dan, Southern Paddler, came to go along with us. He's going to be documenting it for his YouTube channel as well. Dan will probably do a much better job than me and get it out much quicker. Clint, does Savannah like to kayak with you?
She's so jealous. I'm up here without her right now. I've got her little 10-foot.
Shannon likes it too.
She catches more fish than they say, so she likes doing that.
I'm sure she doesn't rub that in any. The J-stroke is a common paddle stroke where you twist the paddle shaft while making a J-shaped sweep at the end of the stroke using the paddle as a rudder. This keeps the canoe straight without having to switch sides of the canoe. Dan, it's taken me about 40 years, but I think I finally mastered the J-stroke.
Oh yeah. Yep, I have. I've not worked on it. I hadn't had a boat that long. I hadn't paddled that long. Well, I paddled my first paddle trip. I was probably 4th grade, and I loved it. And the first time I got on the water in a canoe was my parents back before churches had youth ministers, you know, and just there'd be some adults that would take the kids and do stuff at different times. And my parents was one of them. And and we always every year would take the teenagers up to the Buffalo River in Tennessee.
Yeah.
I got to go with them. I did the first time 4th grade. Loved it ever since. But went a big gap and not going. But anyway, yeah. I watch these. I credit all the Canadians I've watched on YouTube for figuring it out. All right. So what's the name of this trip? What's my title?
Well, let me tell you a little story behind it. Okay, see, every year, for 27 years, we've had the, I don't know if you need to put all this in the video or not.
Okay,
and
well,
I'll explain.
I'll record it so I'll remember it.
I'll explain it. But for 27 years, we've had the Jackson County Outdoor Education Seminar, where we bring our officers, each chapter brings our officers, and we do all kinds of outdoor activities with them. We do all kinds of educational, we have speakers come. We had judges, we had the sheriff, we had, we have people from agriculture, everything come with them.
Yep.
And ever since COVID, we've had a hard time getting, ag teachers have to do so many workshops per summer. We have to.
Oh, okay.
We're required to.
Yeah.
Well, since COVID, they've been having a hard time getting. And, it's hard to get the schedule to work out for everybody and everything. So we did this a couple of years ago, just, this teacher workshop, teaching people how to do their own outdoor education seminar. And he asked me if I would do it again, and I said, well, what do you want me to do? He said, well, just go over how you do the workshop, and then carry them out and do some of the same activities with them. Show them what you do.
Yeah.
It's like, okay. So this time we gather in February and let the kids start working on this. And it was Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of this week.
Okay.
So ended yesterday. Well, we start in February working on the planning and everything. Well, in February the kids said, can we float can we go kayaking? And I said, sure, we can find a way to tie that into ag education, So I made a short little video. I didn't put it on YouTube or anything, and just packed it full of facts about agriculture and everything in this watershed.
Wow.
So we're doing a survey of the Paint Rock River Watershed, Ecology and Agriculture Balanced. That's a pretty decent one. There you go.
My crawfish in shop.
Anybody need a water or a snack?
We just had one.
I got more and he's got more. I got water and he's got snacks.
You got every animal covered.
Just about. I used to have one that went right up here and it got broke too many times. Like, Bam's got one up there.
There's so many folks out there.
These are the fat-free, 0 calories, filled with vitamins and minerals. Nutter butter.
Little Debbie for Big Debbie.
I think it's about the mid
I always told my wife if I was to ever cheat on her with anybody, it'd be with Little Debbie. She's a good woman. Little Debbie, Big Debbie.
He's true to the river. I'm a river man.
Trey, what do you think about it?
Oh, it's been good.
Is this the roughest workshop you've ever had to sit through?
This is tough. This is tough.
I got moving now.
Now, when I explain to Allison what I've done all day, I'm going to be real wore out. Real tired. I'm going to come in, hobbling a little bit.
Trey, you want honey bun? They're soft.
I'm good. Thank you.
They're soft.
They're soft.
Good and fresh. Yeah, Trey's wife is an ag teacher too, and she was very mad that we set the date on this workshop when she already had another workshop planned.
She's in Indianapolis.
Having all kinds of fun, right?
I told her I hated it for her.
I bet that her view's not as nice as ours
No?
right now.
She said it was 9:45 last night and it's still sunshiny outside. It's daylight outside.
All right. We gotta get a picture.
Do what?
Get out.
I ain't getting out. Did you see how long it took me to get in?
As long as it's been me, man.
Yeah, but it took me 10 minutes.
Move for 5 minutes.
Yeah, I just sat on rocks for about 5 minutes.
Everybody just eating.
I nearly got up, got mad, we got the truck went home.
Will,
Careful what you wish.
what's y'all's YouTube channel?
Wrecking crew.
Wrecking Crew.
You got 3 kids?
Okay, wrecking crew.
She's 7.
Well, here's the thing.
She's
I think I'm gonna run up on the stop right here. Oh, nope, yep. Now I gotta get around. Yeah. The big boats are bullying you, sorry. I don't know how that happened. We just ended up here.
It's like how pirates work. They just pull beside you. They're like take off your like water and snacks and stuff. Except y'all got the water and snacks.
Ashley, how did your hike go?
So it might have been like 23 miles. So they, I had a GPS watch and my phone, like several other people had GPSs in our group, and then different people we were passing, and it was supposed to be 19.7, ended up being 23.5 miles. Like mile 17 took us like nearly an hour. Like they just said it was 1 mile, but it was cool. Like I would do it again for sure.
You should do the Triple Crown.
I don't think I could do that, like physically. Well, I'd have to prepare for it.
I heard it, but I don't know who it was.
I don't know who it was. I saw somebody swing without a shirt on. But yeah, it was cool. It was really nice.
Oh, that's Will Cole.
We were feeling it. We were feeling it by about
The Triple Crown is 3 days.
of 20 miles, right?
20 miles per day, yeah.
No, I don't think I could have done 2 more days of that.
Yeah, but if you train,
I'm tired.
Ashley, your turn.
I'm gonna let you go first.
I can't swim. It actually feels pretty good right here.
This is all right. The second one's better. The third one. What'd you catch?
He didn't know it stopped.
He's going up with it.
Hearing all the splash.
What?
I ain't doing it again. Here I go. One more time. Way up, way up, way up.
You missed him.
I'm videoing him.
Adam's leg.
Let's be a little. Ain't no cowboy.
All right, get on up there on top.
I know I told Kevin
Yeah,
Stewart
they
one
said
time
it's
the
not
guy
good.
had
They
the
should
cows
get
get out. And I
He was
saw
up
him
there
in the
first
field.
time.
I said if I'd have went to a cutting horse sale that day, I'd brought
No, not off on the hill.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the step that's up that tree.
Oh, I don't think I can hold on up there. Too much. Maybe like that.
Oh yeah, you gotta swing.
Is that a good splash? Yep, good.
Give you a 9.
Your first one was still the best.
Oh yeah, and then the second one.
No, I was gonna say the second one.
Second one like that.
Yeah, the second one really took
You almost had casualties on the second one.
All right, you said if I did it, you'd do it. If I did, I lied.
Yeah, stay to the right.
Go left with it. I'm trying to make him go left. That's what I'm thinking. Y'all ain't gonna go for the beaver. Hey, that looks fun. You're gonna have to delete that part.
What's that? Nah.
Telling you, give it 5 years and she's gone, something will come up about her. Well, as you are, a little lower than earlier.
Yeah, he don't live there anymore.
It's not like he's usually gone.
Yeah, I mean, like, since he's up there at Murray State now, he doesn't live there anymore, but
If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing so you can join us on the rest of our crazy adventures. Remember to get out and find your own adventure, because even bad adventures make great stories. Thanks for tagging along with us today, guys.